Uh, Look at my screen. Today our topic is how to create PAP reports in the Oracle Fusion application. Okay, our topic. So yesterday we have loaded the customer data migration capabilities. Okay, okay, but we can go through our earlier classes one by one. See, first of all is the supplier data migration completed. Okay, all the things from the header, address, site, and site assignment. Okay, and next part is the AP invoice data migration. Okay, also is a completed. Okay, this is the table template link and how to prepare the data, how to load the data, what is the table name, everything is completed. This is the error table names. So, third one is the customer migration. Yes, this is the customer migration. Okay, this is the process of the thing, and also I share to the template also to you, everybody. Okay, today the very so this is our role of the as a Oracle Fusion technical. Okay, how to create the BAP reports Oracle Fusion application. This completely that's whatever we did earlier. That is completely that is a data migration. But right now we are preparing the queries. Yes, here I'll one by one I'll explain to you. I'll share to the screen also. This is, first click on the home button this way. I'll route the one by one here. Look at here all the navigation. Okay, first basically before going to creating report, we need to prepare the query, small query. Okay, like just you can open the any Notepad plus plus or else Notepad also. Best you can install the Notepad plus plus, then easily understand the thing. Here, look at here. This is a Notepad. Okay, this is our basic query. I think we can modify it. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the basic query of the thing. Okay, we can remove the extra data. Okay, this one we don't want anything. Stop. This is the see, this is a SQL query. This is a select class. This is a from class. This is a where class. This is a condition. This is a supplier name, base table name, and first of all, this is a column name. The, this is a supplier name. This is supplier number. This is a party name, supplier alternate name. It is there. We can pick up. Or else it is not required. Okay. So this is the basic. If you know anybody knows the SQL, writing the queries, they can understand it. RS, no problem. Simple table names. From class, we can write in the from class table names. Okay, this is the table names. Okay, and this is the second table name. This is the third, fourth one. This is the where class and join condition. This is the join condition. Party name. This is the vendor ID. So recently we loaded right supply data migration rate, so we can check it. This is the basic query. Just we can uh, run the query instance whether the data is coming or not. Just for the sake of the checking purpose only. Not okay. Simple basic query. Here we can work in the instance. Okay. Generally, you can go for the tools. Click on the this is the home button. Click on the tools. Here, this is the tool and click on the reports and analytics. It will open the new window. Okay. Anyone create the at least any query? application before or now recently? Did you create any sample query? Anyone?
I
Okay.
have created, but I didn't use.
Okay. At least you are using the report analytics tool, right?
Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Any other person? Anyone? Why on it? Wait. Yes. It's a opening the next immediately here, right hand side, browser catalog. They're loading the data. Just observe the thing. See, any creation, first data. Data means how we'll get the thing. I'll explain. So one by one, creation data. Tomorrow is a real time how reports will get it. Today, sample query. How to create, how to execute a query, how to generate a visa. That's all. No need for it. But this is the basic query. But real time, how we'll get the requirement, how to manage the thing, conditions, parameter, all the things. Coming classes, we'll explain. I'll explain it. Okay. This is today we are getting the basic query. Okay. That's all. Basic one. Yeah. This is the read button, data model. We can, okay. This is the query. This is the basic query. Select one and select the accuracy. Okay. Yeah. Right now the data is coming perfectly. But where is our recently loaded right supplier name that is called vendor name? Look at it. This is our vendor name. Okay. We can do the hot coding the thing. Mm, yes. Here. You watch it.
Sir, which information is available? PO supplier underscore PIA.
Sorry.
What is the use of POJ supplier PII?
This is the you'll get the this is the income taxpayer ID.
Oh, okay, okay.
See, you get the see the data is stored in the different tables, not as a one table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm,
okay, sir.
kind of the thing. This is our supply
Okay.
name. Okay, you will get the segment one. That's why we are using initially. That is okay. Or where is our table? Yes, this is the vendor segment supply number or a vendor number. Anything. Okay. You can pass it to single quotation. Okay. Just run. Here. Okay, they edit it and create. Just click on it. Yeah, yes. So I'll explain the okay. More than enough for us. Okay. First of all, topic how to. I'll explain one by one. See, first of all, go to remove the thing home button. This is the for home button. Okay. This is a Oracle application completely. This is new to us. You are joined recently. Recently, okay. Yeah, they provide the functional people are your lead manager. They assign to the one task that is a create a BP reports for the supplier header. That's all. This is the small task. So just you can follow the these the how to create the BAP. Okay, click on the home button. Okay, next click on the navigator. Okay, we can call it the navigator. It is a this is a navigator home button. Click on the home button. Okay, click on navigator. Next third option, select the tools. This is third. Okay, tools. Next fourth one, report analytics. Click on the report analytics. Yes. Next point is a click on browser catalog. This one. Okay. Browser catalog. Next point. Select the taskbar. Browser catalog. And so loading the data. It will go to the new window. Okay. This time taking the time taken. No problem. Anyway. Next, click on the data model. That is a data model. Click on the new data model. Okay. Same process can follow the thing. Click on the plus button, write SQL query. Yes, SQL query is ready. But we need to prepare how to create the report in the real-time manner. Now still is it running. Take care. Yes. Yeah. This is a taskbar. Okay. Look at here. Sixth point is a select the taskbar. Seventh point, create a data model. Click on the data model. This is our technical developer role here. We can write it. This is a enter our creating reporting role. This is a flex fields, list of values. I'll explain one by one in future classes also. Today, sample query. Click on the SQL query. Then this is a you can pass the any technical name. For example, the manager given the task is a supply header. Same supply header. Yes. And data source is always FSCM. This is the okay sample query. This is a query. Click on the here. Look at here. After that, SQL you can copy paste. Click on OK. Yes, this is the thing. This is the next. Click on the data. Next view button. Okay. Yeah. Next click on the table. This is the enter all the columns. But we cannot. But we need the output in the Excel format. But how to do it the Excel format? I'll explain. See, next point is the now up to location standard SQL query. Look at here. Set the data source FSCM. Set the below option there. Click on OK. Click on view. Table view. Save the sample data here. Okay. Next, click on the sample data. Yes. Sample data. Next, here corner right hand side save button. Okay. Yeah. Here you can create the one folder, any folder. Batch main. Creating batch 2025 under the batch. Yes. This is simple naming convention. Supplier like that. Supplier header data model. Okay. Same description also same. Paste it. Click on OK. Still running the thing, saving the data model. Still, we are not getting the Excel output. Means client they needed this type of all the thing Korean. They need output. Means in the Excel file. Easily understood. Okay. Save. It will take the time. So It here taking the so much time. Any doubt as of till now, guys? Hello?
Yeah, Venkat, one thing I want to know, like the place where we save the SQL query, in case if we want to recheck the SQL query, the same place we need to just open and check, right?
Here, open here, you can copy paste it. Why? Because of why I'm using the Notepad Plus, you can visible the
Mm,
big screen, Notepad. Here, look at here, screen is very small screen. See, in the
mm,
modification, and cannot see the small letter side. You cannot modify it properly. So, same copy paste and outside is Notepad Plus. You can edit and you can copy paste there. Okay?
Thank you.
Still any doubt? No problem. One more time. Yes. Yeah. Look at here. The name is a supplier header is a created. This is a called is a data model. Still, output is not generated. Still is a under the data model. Here, one more option is there. We can here export option. Export means we'll get the XML, but we don't want the XML data. But we need the that is a total output is in the Excel format. Yes. First step is a data model is created. Second step, same data model, we are exporting, creating the report wise. Yeah, I'll explain. Here is in Oracle Fusion, two types there. One is a data model, one is a report. Now is a first option is a technical person can modify the data model, but the functional people they can see the output in the report level. Okay, here the option. This is a create a report. Save the data. This is a create report. This is the mainly advantage of the Oracle Fusion. Yeah. Click it here. This is the data report editor. Click on the report editor. Yes. Finish it. Yeah. We can create the data model supplier header report. Yes. Click on OK. Just no need. Just generate the RTF label. Click on the RTF tab. Template name is a click on the output. You can mention the output simply. Output understand purpose only I mentioned. Then click on the view report. Yeah, auto generator. But this is the settings. Go to edit the report. Click on the view list, and we need a Excel. Okay, just view report. Yeah, this way the output is generated. Now is the single data. Only one line, one row is the data is coming. But we need all the rows. We can remove the hot code. We'll get the entire the data. Like we'll so this is a one way of it. But the client will not accept this kind of the information. This is the basic the SQL. Look at there. This is the output is the correct. This is standard. Generally, we are getting the data. But look and feel is not good. Look at it. But there is no column data. There is no headings. All the things. Data is not properly. Look and feel is not good. That's it. So one more way creating the report. Yes, just good. This is a catalog. Immediately click on the catalog. Okay. Next, once the click on the catalog, my Click on the my folder. Yes. Where is our batch? Batch name, batch name. Where is our, yes, this is the folder name. Okay. Look at here, left hand side is a folder is there. My folder and share folder. What is the difference between my folder and share folder? My folder means we can access myself only. We cannot access the other person. We cannot. No one is access the this my folder. Only user can access. Same user can access, but other people can see the your report. How to check the your report? This is a share folder. Under the share folder, custom is there. This is a custom folder. You can create the one folder. Under the folder, the company project name, mention the project name. Okay. Under the project name, you can create the data model and report. Look at here, so many reports is available. Okay, dash the same. Okay, this is all the kind of the reports. Okay, this is everybody can see the your reports. Even client can access the functional people. They can access your colleagues also. Functional your colleagues. Everybody they can access the your reports. You can put your whatever the your develop the report. You can save it in my folder. Nobody will see. Only user can see. And is only your whatever your name or your whatever you do, my folder, only one person can see, no one other person. Okay. Share folder, everybody can access it. Everybody. So in real time projects, anybody do it for the sample purpose, we can training purpose or modification purpose, you can save it the my folder. But real time, don't save the my folder. Save it in the custom folder. Under the custom folder, you can create the any project name. Okay. Any Bindu. Okay. This is the look at the data model. Under the data model, you can report page. You can create the reports. Okay. Did you understand it? What is the difference between my folder and share folder? Any doubts? Hello?
Shared folder means we can share it. I mean, we can use it further also, sir.
Yeah, share
My
folder means
folder is for personal use only.
yeah, personal use only. Anybody access. But share folder means anybody can access. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, this is our badge. Where is our badge? Yeah, this is under the badge. Batch name. This is our folder name. Under the folder. Okay. My God. It's taking so much time. It is very slow today. It is folder. Ultimately, we need the output. Look like the output is there. This is the where we need to create. This way, client expecting this way. But our report is there. Where is our report? This way. This is not good. Okay, client expecting this way. Okay, but we are sharing data this way. This is not very good. It's not good way. But for the sample purpose, we can do it. Okay. What is your folder? Still is a, oh my God. Okay. Where is your batch? Still the things systems very slow. Okay. Yeah. This is a data model, but we don't want the right now. We can delete it here. Open the data model here, edit, click on the edit button, and click on the create report. See, this is a wizard. Okay, and click on the next. This is a portrait. This is the landscape. You can paste headers if you want table view, the chart box, private tables, chart and tables. Which one you want? Table format. Layout is our layout is a table format. Here, this is a Oracle wizard. Yes, one by one sequence we can do it. Okay. Here alternate is there, and this way. Look at your data is appearing. Okay. Next tags, supply type, drag and drop simply to the output. Okay. Next country. Taxpayer ID and vendor ID, object version, and next party ID. Yes, simply drag and drop. Okay, enable flag and next summary flag. If required, if you want, you can place it, or else leave it to whatever you want. You can place it here. Rest of thing you don't want anything. See, look at this blue line only. We can copy paste it. Sometimes what happened, right? Look at the customer number. See, cannot insert the data. Just up to the blue line can insert. Okay. Unplug. Yes. There's no data at all. Okay, no problem. Empty data, get it. Parent, no parent, vendor name. Many. Okay. Set up books ID. Okay. Type 10, this is the thing. Okay, no problem. Get the whole to access. Not, there's no data at all. The start. Okay. And that. Okay. Okay, that's all.
Sir, why some columns are having A as an icon, and but some other are having hash. What's the difference, sir?
This is a this is the hash. Hash means IDs. Alpha numeric. The alpha numeric. This is the symbols. This is the symbols means a tag symbols. This is the hash. This is a party. That is look at here. Party IDs. Third part. Simple different variations. It's the same same table. That's important. Okay.
Which means it differs based on the data type. Same, sir.
There is no
Objects.
object. See, that is a Oracle mention the symbols. That is not required. Okay. This is a
Okay,
view.
sir.
Okay. Next option is a finish. Symbols is the no need to consolidation symbols. Just column names. That's the data. That's important. Finished already. This is a completely wizard. This is drag and drop. Okay.
We can generate only supplier reports, sir, or what are the reports we can generate by using this method, sir?
Any report we can generate. any report, not only supplier, invoices, so many reports available, not only. Look at here, I'll show you these are all the queries. Look at here, cash management. This is the queries, all the queries, account payable, the item master, all order. This is the entire the queries, generals. This is the payables, all the queries only. We can draw this is the, look at here, item master. This is entire this is the complex reports. Okay, according to according to requirement, we can draw the report.
Okay, sir. So
Mm.
basically, I'm unfamiliar with this supply chain management. No? So I'm not sure that what are the reports we are going to generate. So I'm
See,
asking this time.
yes, what are the here? Your role is a technical finance report. Finance report, supplier, accounts payable, accounts receivable will get the all the reports. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Real time will explain the 5 real time reports. What is the sample, medium, complex report? I'll explain to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
One by one, I'll explain to you. Record RD, FTT document is available. Or the document wise, I'll show you how real time is happening. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Look at here, somewhat better. Heading look like in earlier report is a here is report somewhat better. Liquid. And three kind of the output format is there. One is a, I'll explain. Yeah. Next, okay. Template wise. Template is there. One is there. Here, this is a template. Second is a Excel template. Third one is a e-text. This is the C template is very, very important for the our real-time career. So this is a template is there. What I'll show you, this is the RT. This is the RTF template. This is a design completely. How is the design by RTF template? Okay, I'll show you basic. One, this is a wizard. Okay, we can go for the one more template. That is the RTF template. This is the data model. And click on the data, click on the view, table view, and export the data. This is the XML. RTF can understand the only XML format. This is a, we can small tool is a, we can install it the MS Word. This is a BA Publisher tool is there. You can install, the button will be appear here, BA Publisher. This is the sample upload. This is the XML. Yes. Look at it, it's a field base. The field is all the field. Look at the all field is the field. Okay. So click on the BA Publisher and click on the XML. This is the thing. Click on the all fields. Here we can copy paste. We can insert the logos, split, cell, and logo. That is our sample logo into picture. Yeah, HP. size. My God. Make it a small size. One more times, make it a small size. Get here powerful. So medium, make it this is a company logo. Okay. Here we can type it. It's a thing. Okay. This one. Here you can type it as a supplier header report. Our report. Okay. Make it a center. Here design. This is a designs. Client require the this way designs. We need to learn the MS Office mandatory. So make it a center. Okay. This not appear borders. We don't want borders. And save as a RTF template. That is our patch. This is our patch. This is the folder. RTF. See, this is the RTF phrase means rich text format. Save it. Okay. We can check the output, whether the output perfect or not. Yeah. So look at it, check the PDF format. This is somewhat better. Okay, still is a okay. This is the logo, this is the header. Okay. Little bit we can increase the size name of the port name. 14. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we require okay. This one also we can increase size. See, this is a template creation. Same template. We are attaching the our report. Okay. Photo attach. This return. Photo catalog. My photo become photo. My batch report is there. Yes. Wait, we can check the where is our batch right to the to find. Here, how many ways reading the report? One is a Oracle seeded general basic output. Second for creating report wizard. Third one, creating the output. This is the RTF template. Okay, 3 ways you can create. Which one is a better appearing? That is a very important. Basically, the client will not prefer the. Sometimes will accept this one output wizard also, but client most of time we can use using the RTF template only. Okay, this is a way we need to create a template. Yeah. can edit the template. Here report, our report is there. Yes, add a new layout. This is upload new layout. So template name supplier, template name is the supplier data template. Okay, choose file. Where is our file is there? Yeah, RTF. This is a template. Type is a RTF template. Local is a English. Upload the template. Loading the new templates. Wait, it is under the processing. Three ways. And second is Excel also. Monday we can check the Monday and e-text template also. In coming real-time report, I'll explain one by one also. How to get the requirement, what is the process, everything. Same way in creating the report also. Look at our report PDF, but default layout is there. Okay, this one. This is RTF template. Okay, save it. See, look at here. Output. See, default format is a PDF, but what is output format is a so many format is a. We can say, look at here, all the format. MSO, Excel, and PowerPoint presentation, HTML, and PDF, zip file, data, XML, CSV files also. Which one you want? Client as per client requirement. PDF means you can select the PDF. Whereas Excel means you can select the Excel. HTML also to get it. Whatever client requirement, you can as this you can put it here. Okay. And default always choose the tick mark is the default layout. Add view. Okay, view online. Online means it appear only this template. Okay, just click on the view. Look at here. How it's a look like the logo, supply headers, the data. Okay. Any doubts here?
Sir, one thing, sir. Actually, you are explaining very neatly, and once you are explaining, it is very clear, sir. No doubt in it. But beyond that, what's the thing I am feeling is I'm just knowing how we have to do all these things, sir. But I'm not getting why it is we have to do it. That's the thing,
Oh,
sir.
this see, I'll explain. See, your job. What is your job role? Technical person. Okay,
Mm,
technical. What to do? Technical person. See, understand that first of all, as a your role is a technical developer. What is your role? Means whatever the client is a requirement. Reports means client is required the and is a sales. Some kind of the reports is also sales report, invoice report, all the reports. So according to report columns required, we can extract from the database. We can design the as per client requirement. Okay, this is a design.
okay.
We can submit the client. See why? Because the business purpose, for example. See, what is the purpose of marks card? Tell me. They can provide the marks card, right? 10th class, intermediate, so many. See, because we'll get the some marks, okay, end of the thing. See, ultimately, the pass or not, what basis the thing? Making the report only, right?
Yes, sir.
So, kind of,
Just for
okay,
tracking it in future whenever it's needed.
the, the end user, the business people, what is the purpose of report? Today, how many sales is happening? End of the, what is the profit? What is the loss? I need to know, right?
Except for
See,
analyzing and
and
anything needed to improve.
yes, in future, for example, in the election movement, see, for example, how many is the MLA seats under the MLA? How many people is constitutions based on the data? Reports is the end of the report. What is the kind of the report? See, what total MLA list? I need a total MLA list. What a total the constituency, mandal-wise list I need, people's list. We'll get it all. We can prepare the SQL query. Then we can database. This is called as a data. We can provide the information. First of all, what is the data? What is information? Anyone can tell me? What is the data? What is information?
It's about a thing or anything is happening or any person, like details about whatever the thing, it is stored in the form of data only. That's why.
No. See, we are the loading data that is called bulk data. That is the client don't want all the data. Okay. That is the raw data. For example, we are loading the supply data. We are loading the invoice data. We load the customer data. We don't want all the data. We need the information. For example, you are the studying, you are joined the one, you are studying the BTech. Okay. For example, in the BTech class, how many people is your total people is available? 60. Out of 60, I need the Reshma, RS Sweta, I a particular name. How many people is Sweta? 4 to 5 numbers. How do you know that? Based on the this one, article number, roll number, based on the roll number identification, whether she paid or not, whether the payment is happening. It is the report only. We need to send the report. Okay, check the what is the pending amount, what is the installment you did. All the you can get the reports only. Okay, if you don't
Okay,
data,
sir.
that is important. See, end of day, this is a data is very important. Under the data, we need to pass the information. That's all. Purpose of the thing is ultimately plus to generate the report. For example, we require the all the recently supplier data. For example, today, how many people attended today? How do you know that? Tell me. Today class,
Uh,
how do you know? Only 12 people, 10 people happening, right? How do you know that? According to the data is important. Okay. So according data,
okay.
we can prepare the one query that is called SQL database, and SQL we can queries is a function that just you can practice, open the thing real time. You can go through the thing. What is a Oracle Fusion cloud database? Cloud database means everybody storing the data in cloud. In olden days, they storing the laptop, old laptop. So maybe sometimes what happened, right? Trash the database. What to do? There is no backup at all. In the cloud database, will store the backup is everything is there. Even though we trash the, there is no power, there's no there's some kind of happening the data cross, anything happening. So Oracle maintains the cloud data. We can access anywhere in a home, anywhere you can go, India, out of India, you can access anywhere through mobile also, through laptop, any laptop, we can access. We can create the report, we can access the data. This is a very simple, easiest way for the end user. Ultimately, customer satisfaction important. For example, you made the payment. End of the year, recently you made the payment of the credit card bill. Okay, but sometimes what happens next bill, the payment is not happening due to the last month. Still is showing the you need to pay that thing. Again, you need to contact the customer care, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After that, they modify the transaction and next month bill appear. Yes, last month you made the payment, that transaction will be, you made the payment. That's all. How do you know? You will get the one report in the mail itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Same way we are creating reports. Got it, my point?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Today,
sir.
what is our motto is that this thing, we required all the suppliers, all the supplier details. This is the header. Supplier
Okay,
name,
sir.
supplier number, the alternate supplier taxpayer number, organization. See, look at it. We need all the supplier. That's all. This report means we require all the supplier. I
Okay,
need,
sir. By writing that query, by uploading it in data sets or data models, we are getting the output, sir. We are
yes,
generating the output.
yes. The clients want
Yes.
all the supplier required. Okay. You can
Okay,
generate,
sir.
I can
Okay, sir.
give to the clients also. That's all. Or else you can pass the
Yes.
this URL. I'll show you. Anybody having a doubts, please let me know so that I can explain the clarity. Okay.
Okay, sir. No,
Uh,
fine, sir. No, I'm fine with it, sir. I got a little bit clarity.
but practice the,
Sir, also please
uh,
share that link, sir.
yeah.
Just
You can
doing the
contact the,
database tables.
yeah, already there. I'm writing the, this is maintain the notes, everything, notes is available. Contact, this is the table link, okay? This is, I'm sharing
In
this
in
story as
app in app I am getting videos, sir, under
check,
batches. But
okay,
notes
check,
is also available, sir.
okay, yes, check with the Madhu sir, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Sir,
And also one more thing, sir. Daily these classes are happening, sir. Recording is uploading or not, sir.
Yeah, daily
I'm
we are
able to
happening
see
the,
two things.
okay. See, check with the Madhu sir, just say, I'm not a right person, I'm the
Mm.
one, okay? Check with the Madhu sir,
Okay,
there.
sir.
Check
Fine, sir.
with,
Fine, sir.
okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, and I'll
Fine.
explain, okay, where is our tab, okay?
Just as a revision, we need to look into it one more time, sir.
Yes,
While
yes.
doing also better I'm having done, it will be as a reference.
Okay,
As every time you will not be available, sir. Mm.
anytime you can refer
While
it, and
practicing.
yes, you can practice this
Mm.
query, okay? And coming
Mm.
to next week is a Monday, you can, with the doubts, you need to come, okay?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Take the instance, practice basic query, okay?
Mm.
Yeah, this is a, we require all the, okay? This is a hard code, we are remove the hard code, okay? That's all.
Okay, sir.
This, yeah, look at the, our report, we need a entire the supplier details, okay? Look at here, open the
Sir,
supplier.
that query also we need, sir, actually
Yes,
to.
I paste it here. This is a notes, data magnets. This is a query. Okay. L-
Is it available in app,
Yeah,
sir? I can.
yeah. Data migration notes is available. You can check the thing.
Okay, sir. Which node, sir?
Data migration notes. I sharing
Data
the,
migration.
yes,
sir, all scenarios containing same navigation, right?
yeah,
Just now you can try here.
yeah. Same navigation, something. One well. Okay.
You know,
This is the
but
navigation
template is different.
template. Is this is a navigation? All the navigation is complete. Any report, this is a same navigation. Any report for the
Okay.
creating the report, this is a purpose one by steps. Okay.
Okay, sir. But
This
code
is
and templates is different.
different. Share the templates also today. This is a all the supplier. Look at here. We required all the suppliers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Almost 3,000 suppliers is there. 3,693 suppliers is there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine.
So okay. Tomorrow we'll continue our classes. Tomorrow there's no classes at all, and Monday we have the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Monday we can same way we can continue our classes. Reports only. We continue our classes. Okay. I'll explain the
Okay,
different
sir.
scenario, real-time oriented, one more time reports also. Okay,
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.